Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 8 Review. Let's go ahead and go over the first question. It says Darwin has 4 gallons of lemonade, and he needs to divide the lemonade into servings that are 1/6 of a gallon each. So what's being divided? The 4 gallons of lemonade, and it's being divided into 1/6 servings. So what you have to do here is sort, because they're asking what's the number or amount of servings that they're going to be. Okay, same opposite reciprocal, 4 stays the same. Opposite division multiplication, and the reciprocal of 1/6 is 6. And then you just do 4 times 6, 24. There are going to be 24 servings. So 24 servings, or 24, is your answer. Okay. That's number 1. Number 2 says a family ordered a large pizza. Only half the pizza remains, and 7 people still need to eat. Enter the fraction that represents what each person will receive if the pizza is split evenly among 7 people. So how much of the pizza is left? It says 1/2, okay? And it's being divided amongst the 7 people. Make sure you have your practice test out with you while you're going over this, because I'm not going to write all of the word problems, okay? So make sure you have it out. But that's what it should look like. You're dividing the half a pizza into 7, okay? So we have the SOR. So SOR stands for same, opposite, reciprocal. So same, opposite, reciprocal. 1/2 stays the same. Opposite division's multiplication. And the reciprocal of 7 is 1/7. And now you multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 7 times 2, or 2 times 7, is 14. And that's your final answer. Okay? Let's do number 3. It says a pitcher of orange juice is half full. It needs to be divided evenly among 5 children. So what is the amount of orange juice each child will get? So you have half an orange juice that's full. That needs to be divided to 5 children. Same, opposite, reciprocal. This stays the same. Opposite division multiplication. The reciprocal is 1/5. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 2 is 10. And that's your final answer. Each children is going to get 1/10 of the orange juice. Okay? Number 4 says Shiva has to read 1/9 of a book in the next 4 days. 1/9 of a book, okay, in the next 4 days. So you're going to divide 1/9 into 4, because that's how much she has to read left, and it needs to be divided into the 4 days. Same, opposite, reciprocal. 1/9 stays the same. Opposite division's multiplication. The reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. 1 times 1 is 1. 9 times 4 is 36. 1/36 is your answer. Okay? Number 5. How much ice cream will a family of 5 get if they equally distribute half of a gallon of ice cream? Well, what do they have here? Half a gallon of ice cream that they need to distribute amongst 5 people. Don't get tricked here. Okay? It's not the first number you see. It's what's being divided. The half a gallon of ice cream is what's being divided. So same, opposite, reciprocal. 1/2 stays the same. The division changes to multiplication. And the reciprocal of 5 is 1/5. And then you multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 2 is 10. The 5 people are going to get 1/10 of the ice cream. Okay, let's do number 6. Evie needs to run a half a mile in the next 3 minutes. If she runs equal portions of the distance each minute, how much will Evie run? Okay, so you have a half a mile that needs to be divided into the 3 minutes. Okay, so we do same, opposite, reciprocal. 1/2 stays the same. Opposite division is multiplication. And the reciprocal of 3 is 1/3. So then you multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. She's going to run 1/6 of a mile. Alright, almost done. Number 7 is Cyan has 9 gallons of fruit juice. He needs to divide the juice into servings that are 1/4 of a gallon each. How many servings is he going to have? So you got to do 9, which is being divided into the 1/4 gallons. Okay, remember guys, same, opposite, reciprocal. So 9 stays the same. Opposite division is multiplication, and the reciprocal is 4. 9 times 4 is 36. It's going to be 36 servings. That's your final answer. Okay, let's go ahead and do 8. Number 8, the Wilkinsons ordered a large sub sandwich for a party. Only 1/5 of the sandwich is left, and 7 people still need to eat. So you got 1/5 of the sandwich that's being divided to the 7 people. So we got to do same, opposite, reciprocal. 1/5 stays the same. Opposite division is multiplication. And the reciprocal is 1/7. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 7 is 35. they're going to get 1/35 of the sandwich. Okay, number 9. A pitcher of Gatorade is half full and still needs to be divided evenly among 7 teammates. So you have a half a pitcher of Gatorade that needs to be divided among 7 teammates. Okay, remember, same, opposite, reciprocal. 1/2 stays the same. Opposite division is multiplication, and the reciprocal is 1/7. 1 times 1 is 1. 7 times 2 is 14. They're going to get 1/14 of the Gatorade, each person. All right, let's do number 10. How much ice cream will a family of 4 get if they equally distribute 1/3 of a gallon of ice cream? Well, you have 1/3 a gallon that's being divided amongst a family of 4. Okay, don't get confused there. What's being divided? The gallon of ice cream. Same, opposite, reciprocal. 1/3 stays the same. Division changes to multiplication. Reciprocal is 1/4. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 4 is 12. 1/12 is your final answer. Alright guys, that's it for the review. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll go over it before we take the test tomorrow. Best of luck. Have a good one.